Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. What I'm looking at here is a slide for the Luxe toy hauler, the luxury toy hauler. And just to give you an idea, we're going to move in closer here. This will give you an idea of actually what the cupboards look like in our Luxe toy hauler. This is a beachfront style cabinetry, and this is actual hardwood. You can get in here and you can see that this is actually hardwood, and as this comes together you're going to see more of that beautiful hardwood with dovetail soft close drawers. Amazing. So hey, give us a call and ask us some questions. We'd love to answer your questions, and this is at 844-284-6678, or get us on the web at luxfitfield.com. Have a wonderful day.